How you doing, everyone? Today on the menu, look at that, beautiful, absolutely wonderful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. By the way, all of the ingredients amounts will be down below in the text. So here I've got some fresh coriander or cilantro. Onion, I've got one onion there, cut nice and small. 2 tomatoes, again, cut nice and small. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green cardamom pods and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. The powders that we're using today, I'm going to go for, these are 1 teaspoon each, by the way. Turmeric, chilli, coriander, and this one here is fennel. It gives it a beautiful, beautiful taste. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, so nice finishing spice. Chilies, up to you what you want to put in. I've got a few there, and I'm putting mine in whole. And then here are the paneer. So this is frozen. I bought it frozen. You can buy it fresh, of course, that would be nice. I've got some frozen stuff here. With the frozen stuff, what we do is put it into some cold water for a few minutes and then drain it off, it's fine. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil and add some salt. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, let's get started. Touch of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want. And we're going to pop in our whole seeds. Some green cardamom pods whole and a few cumin seeds there. Just let them do their thing just for a few seconds. They might pop and crackle, but they'll infuse the oil and give it a fantastic flavour. Don't skip this stage, very important. Okay, now we're going to add our onion, cut nice and small. As you can hear, on a lively heat. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Super easy, this one, and super delicious. Simply, we're now going to add in our tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and 2 minutes we're going to go on the same heat. Keep it moving now. Fantastic. Very simply, we're going to add in our fresh tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. We're going to add our fresh chilli. I'm going to add some salt. And then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look at those. So they're equal parts, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander, and the fennel seed powder. In that goes. Little mix. Stay on this high heat. Let's just add a little bit of water in there. Now cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep it moving. What we want is those tomatoes to break down, and they should give off more moisture. See you then. Okay, and there you go. Now if you didn't get this amount of liquid out of your tomatoes, you can just add a little bit of water. We're going to turn the heat down to medium now, and we're going to drop in our paneer, and then we're gonna, on a medium heat, go for about 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're very nearly there. Okay, beautiful. Off goes the heat. Put that little pinch or two of the garam masala powder in there. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix in, and we're done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.